heart of Rapid City is a unique home for wildlife, vegetation, and adventure. Hanson-Larsen Memorial Park. Bordering the edge of Rapid Creek, the area was an important spot for Native Americans, as well as the original founders of Rapid City. In fact, names from the late 1800s can still be found on a boulder located near an entrance to the park. Throughout the years, the land was home to different enterprises, while Rapid City grew from a small mining town to the bustling city of today. Ultimately, the formation of the park was due to one person, Edna Marie, or Eddie Larsen. Edna was born in 1911. She attended the South Dakota School of Mines and Technology. It was her wish that her parents, Ed Larsen and Etta Hanson-Larsen, have a park established in their name. When Edna passed away in 2004, a trust she had created allowed for that to happen. The land for the park was purchased in 2008, and to this day, Hanson-Larsen Memorial Park, or HLMP, remains privately owned and funded for its development and operation. Today, HLMP is an incredible asset to Rapid City. The park features 300 acres of land and over 20 miles of natural surface trails running through it. The peaks offer spectacular views, reaching from Bear Butte to Black Elk Peak and the Badlands. Utilized by hikers, mountain bikers, and runners, the trails offer a variety of terrain ranging from easy to extremely difficult. The park is home to many species of wildlife and vegetation, acting as a natural haven in the center of a city and offering people a place to explore and connect. HLMP is a nonprofit 501c3 organization overseen by a board of local community members. The park is privately funded and utilizes zero tax dollars for upkeep and maintenance, a formidable task for an area so large and with so many trails. For over a decade, Hanson-Larsen Memorial Park has offered the Rapid City community a truly unique place to explore, connect, and challenge themselves. And with the support of the community, the park will continue to be a place for all of us to enjoy long into the future.